And I am going to give you a quick market outlook along with my trading plan for now. So as we discussed yesterday, Bitcoin is currently looking quite weak with an expected dip below support right here. I do believe that we might go one Fibonacci level lower to around 35,000, and that should be the target for Bitcoin. Now, of course, that raises the question, how are we going to do this? Personally, I'm taking a short on Bitcoin. My target's up around here, and that should not be anything too big. I'm assigning only a small allocation to that. I'm way more interested personally in gathering more Bitcoins for the next leg up. And the way I'm going to do that is by trading Ethereum pair against Bitcoin. As you can see, Ethereum has had a very nice sideways pattern for like quite a while now. And I am personally looking for us to at least get back to the previous high, if not the 1.1618 at 0.11 Bitcoins. That should be approximately what I am thinking about right now. Now, on the little bit shorter term, let's go to the 4 hours. I would like to show you that we are currently bull flagging, and the target for my next leg up should be somewhere around here. And that should happen within the span of, let's say, the next 2 to 3 weeks. So definitely worth a long here, maybe add a little bit of leverage, nothing too crazy. And that is purely for the purpose of gathering more Bitcoins. I believe that as a trader, your goal should always be to own as much Bitcoin as possible, not necessarily to, gain more USD, because I myself am a firm believer in Bitcoin. And that is my personal goal. So Ethereum against Bitcoin is a very, very good play. Obviously, I would also like to show you Litecoin once again. I already discussed it yesterday. I want to go to the daily chart right here. And this is a mega trend. This trend spans years and years. And it is now currently, in my eyes, coming to an end. As I said, I believe we made the low here. We managed to touch support right here twice. Didn't take below it, didn't like to be below it, and now we are currently back on the move upwards. My target for this is currently outside of the wedge. As you can see, this is a wedge. My target is right at 0.01, I would say. So yeah, like in the dollar figures, I would say 400 to 600 is where I would place my sell orders in a ladder form. Now, last but not least, Solana. Solana has been doing extraordinarily well this year. Really nothing bad to say about it. And the trend is just continuing. Like there's no real signs that this is slowing down at any point soon. Currently approaching the high. We had a little bit of trouble, like getting through this resistance. As long as we're not through it, I do believe there is definitely a chance for a dump. However, I deem it quite unlikely that this will happen. Like it's on fire. Let's just say it's on fire. Things are looking amazing. Things are looking great, and we might just continue up. So those are my 3 picks for now. Obviously, like I can't repeat this enough. Perpetual, just broke out. It's currently trying to gain its footing above the resistance, and once it's done so, I do believe that we are in for quite a treat. Possibly a 6x, maybe a 10x. I'm not sure. So yeah. All right, that's my morning update. I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee now. Do the same. Make sure you're you're not over leveraging in these conditions, because Bitcoin might take quite a dump. I would say over the weekend, maybe next week, but that remains to be seen. So for now, I wish you happy trading, and have a nice day.